Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. Today, changing out a battery, Nissan Rogue. Get your multimeter. If you ever want to check your battery, get your multimeter. It's a 12-volt battery. You put your negative on your negative, your positive on your positive. If it reads below 12, it's going to be a bad battery. You can charge it and retest it later, but I would just go ahead and replace it. If you start the car up and it goes up to 14 volts and above, your alternator is good. You just need to replace your battery. If you start the car up and it drops below 10, then you know your alternator's bad, and I would replace the battery and the alternator. So let's get this thing replaced. $10mm, all you need. That simple. This one did not have a hold down bracket on it. They usually have a 10mm also. But just take your positive, your negative off, old battery out, new battery in. Clean your terminals off if you need to. All right. I've already tested this one, but I'm gonna do it for y'all anyway. Got your positive, your negative. .51. Now I'm going to start it up and show y'all what it reads with the alternator kicking in. 12.5, good battery. 14. So the alternator's good. It's kicking in, and the battery is also good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. With the alternator kicked in, it's 14.09. So that means your alternator's doing its job, and the battery is good. So this car is good to go. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.